Number 2. Racing just is started. We have Ziamo Pamilya. First to show quickness at the start, rushing upon the outside and now diving through the lead is Z-Master. The next on that is China Star. Symphony comes next while Manila's Gem is the early trailer by about 6 lengths of the leader. And going along for the first turn, we have Z-Master. China Star is down on the inside. 3 lengths further back in third comes Symphony. Ziamo Pamilya comes next while Manila's Gem is still running at the tail of the field. Half mile distance they traveled. We have Z-Master maintaining a length and a half lead. China Star in second. Symphony now trying to get closer in third. Ziamo Pamilya is racing in fourth while Manila's Gem still racing in less. At the fourth turn we have Symphony moves about the outside to take the lead. China Star is down on the inside. Z-Master. Then next on line is Ziamo Pamilya while Manila's Gem still racing in less. And they are now entering the home stretch. We have Symphony by about half length. China Star in second. And on the outside third is Ziamo Pamilya with about 150 meters more to run. We have Symphony. China Star is running by the rail. Ziamo Pamilya. Manila's Gem moves about the outside to take the lead. It's now Manila's Gem close between China Star, Ziamo Pamilya, Symphony, and number 5, Z-Master.
Eksakto yung sinabi mo, Coach. Nagkaroon ng, well, actually, hindi naman nagbakbakan, no? Dahil inawat talaga ni Oyet si China.